It may sound like an exaggeration that Chat GPT can help you complete practically any task or project, but it is not far from the truth. If you are looking for a little extra help to get things done, then probably Chat GPT is the right place to start. In this video, we will explore how to use this amazing tool in your everyday life and give you mind-blowing examples of its capabilities. So, after you watch this video, you will never look at your life in the same way you did it before. Yes, you won't believe your eyes. That's how cool it is. So, get ready to be amazed. Say, for example, if you are trying to lose weight or gain muscle mass, Chat GPT can help you create a personalized workout plan that totally fits you. Say, if you want to do 3 workouts a week to lose weight and have about an hour per session, Chat GPT can create the perfect plan for you. And if you are in the muscle building, it can do the same. And you can ask additional questions along the way. Amazing, isn't it? It's like having your own personal fitness coach available 24/7, 365 days a year. When you are set with your fitness plan, now you can use Chat GPT for your diet planning. You can ask it for meal ideas that would fit your fitness program. Great thing about Chat GPT is that it remembers what it said to you, so it will not only not repeat itself, but will give you the answers that correspond and are in the context of your previous conversation. So, when you ask about a suggested diet that would correspond to your fitness program, it will give you suggestions that will make sense. And you can take it even to the next level and use Chat GPT to become a fitness coach yourself to help other people, or if you already own a fitness studio or gym, then Chat can help you with personalized training plan preparation for your clients. Chat GPT can help you with creating a personalized self-care routine plan to boost your overall well-being. It may combine yoga, stress relief music suggestions, and other healthy and valuable methods. All you have to do is tell it what your goals are and how much time you have for that, and it will come up with your personalized routine. Of course, Chat GPT is not only about fitness and well-being. It can help you in many other ways. For example, it can make you a grocery list for tonight's dinner. It can even suggest tasty recipes from grocery products that you have in your fridge. It can generate tasty and healthy recipes, providing a list of all the ingredients you need, and even plan your weekly grocery shoppings for you. And if you are on the diet, you can ask it to make a tailored diet for you, taking into account all necessary calories and elements that are required. So, with Chat GPT, you will never ever be confused about what to cook, how to stay fit, and how to surprise your guests. And talking about guests, planning a party or any other event can be very time-consuming and stressful, but this amazing tool can flip it around and make it fun. Seriously, no matter how big or important event you are planning, Chat GPT can help you stay organized and on top of things with party or event layout. Chat GPT proves to be a powerful tool for planning the perfect trip. No matter whether you are planning to spend a day out in the city or travel to another country, just tell it what you want it to do and how much time you want to spend for that, and it will generate a personalized travel plan for you. If you are a student and trying to study for an exam or need assistance with your project, Chat GPT can help you. Again, you just tell it how much time you have and what you need to do, and an artificial intelligence chatbot will create a study plan for you. Going forward with studies and communication, Chat GPT can help you improve your social and communication skills. It can help you with ideas about how to start a conversation and even suggest jokes or find the most popular and well-known phrases for you. And putting it to the more practical use, it can help you write answers to your email by assisting with writing a mail or suggesting replies. If you're having trouble with a relationship with your partner or some difficult and confusing situations in any other aspect of your life, say at work, and don't know what to do, how to answer, say, or ask, then Chat GPT can help you. Just explain your situation and ask for advice. AI chatbot will give you personalized suggestions and strategy based on your circumstances. It's like having your personal relationship coach ready to help you 24/7. These are just a few examples of how to use Chat GPT. It's basically like having your own personal and universal assistant wherever you go, whatever you do. If you want to find out about 10 best ways to use Chat GPT to even more enhance your life, go ahead and watch this next video that appears on the screen. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, the thumbs up would be really appreciated. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for more on the latest AI technologies and trends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.